Hello, I am motorist and I would like to show you this little lever padlock. Let's open it, close it again so you can see it works. It is marked 4 levers, 4 lever Germany. No other markings. Not on the back, not on the side. But, so, I know it's made in Germany, and I also know it is actually Burg Wächter padlock, because it came from a box of 12 of these locks, and the box was clearly marked Burg Wächter. I think it was made for the British market. It is very similar in size and shape to this Squire 440 Old English padlock. Slightly different, but I would call this an Old English style Burg Wächter lock. Okay, so let's have a look inside. I hope you can see what's happening in here. Put a little light in. So you can see there's 4 levers in front. And there seems to be nothing in the back. If we open, so you can see that there's this bolt that's meant to interact with this rectangular hole in the shackle. Okay, so let's close it and see if we can pick it. I have this little tensioner made out of a British brass key, and as you can see, there's nothing in the back of this lock. The bolt is more or less, or the talon is more or less in the center, and I guess the bolt is carried sitting on a plate in the center of the lock. So I have this little wire. Let's see. Okay, there was a shift on the bolt, and another, and here we go. So, once you've found the talon, it is not hard to find the 4 levers and to pick them. Anyway, I still think it's a nice little addition to my collection. Let's see if it still works. Oh, I forgot to show you the bitting of this key. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, and then a deep cut. And well, this step would suggest it interacts with the bolt, with the talon, but it doesn't. It's this step that actually grabs the talon, and then a deep cut that interacts with the plate that the bolt sits on. More or less works like a ward. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. A nice little German Old English style padlock. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.